Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. Today we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 5.1 chapter 5 understanding elementary shapes. Question number 7 says draw 5 triangles and measure their sides. Check in each case if the sum of the lengths of any two sides is always less than the third side. In this question first we are going to draw 5 different triangles and then after we are measuring their sides with the help of ruler and divider. First we draw triangle 1. It is our first figure. Suppose the name of this triangle is A, B and C. Here we write the measurement of AB, BC and CA. We measure these measurements with the help of ruler. We adjust our ruler here. We adjust our ruler here. The initial point 0 we set on A and then we start reading where the B is situated. It is situated after 7 and after 7 there are 5 points. It is 7.5. It is our AB. Now we measure BC. It is here. It is 7.8 and then finally we measure the AC. So according to question, draw 5 triangles and measure their sides. First we draw this first triangle and we are measuring their sides. Now check. In check, if the sum of the lengths of any two sides is always less than the third side. So we are going to add these sides. First we add AB plus BC and we are checking it is greater than CA or less than CA. So the measurement of AB is 7.5 centimeter. Here we write centimeters plus it is 7.8 centimeter. It is equal to, on adding we get 8 plus 5 13, 3 here, 1 carry, point 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, 15.5. So when we compare 15.3 and 7.5, 15.3 is greater than 7.5. What is the meaning of this? The sum of the lengths of any two sides is always greater than the third sides, but question is demanding for less. So in this case it is not true. The true statement is what? True is AB plus BC is not greater than CA. Same conditions we check for the next 4 triangles. For that we draw each and every time the triangles of different measurements, then we add the lengths of their sides and lengths of their two sides and then we compare with the third sides and then after we are taking the decision either it is a greater or a lesser. Now this is the second condition for the first triangle. It is CA and we compare this with the AB. Measurement for the BC is 7.8 centimeter plus CA is 7.5 centimeter and AB is already 7.5 centimeter. Show that it is 8 plus 5 13, 3 1 carry, 7 plus 7 14 and 1 15.3, and it is already 7.5 centimeter. When we compare 15.3 with the 7.5, we know 15.3 is greater. It means the condition is BC plus CA is not less than 7.5 centimeter. Now this time we take CA plus AB and we compare this with the BC. Now the measurement of CA is 7.5 centimeter plus measurement of AB is 7.5 centimeter and the measurement for B 7.8 centimeter. It shows 15 centimeter, and when we compare this with 7.8 centimeter, it is easily observed 15 centimeter is greater than 7.8 centimeter. It shows CA plus AB is not less than BC. So our final conclusion is, when we check this, the sum of greater than the third side. Now the triangle number 2. It is the triangle XYZ. Suppose it is a right angle triangle. So what we do, here we write the measurements of XY, YZ and ZX. Suppose it is 6, it is 8, and suppose it is 7, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 7 centimeter. I write here the approximate measurements, but you draw the triangles without measurement, and then after you take their measurements with the help of ruler and divider. So after measuring, you write your measurements here. XY equal to 6, 7 centimeter. Again we are going to check what is the condition. Check in each case if the sum of the lengths of any two sides is always less than the third side. So here we are going to add the measurements of first two sides. Suppose it is XY plus YZ and it is ZX. 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, it is ZX 7 centimeter. It shows that 8 6 14 centimeter and it is 7 centimeter. With the 7 centimeter we easily observe 14 is greater than 7, so it is greater, and again the question is demanding for less. So the condition is, the true condition is for this triangle is 14 centimeter is not less than the 7 centimeter. It means what? XY plus YZ is not less than the ZX. Now the second condition for the second triangle. This time we are going to add YZ with ZX and we compare this with the XY. The measurement of YZ is 8 centimeter, ZX is 7 centimeter, and we compare with the XY, that is 6 centimeter. It is 15 centimeter and it is 6 centimeter, and when we 15 centimeter is not less than the 6 centimeter. Third condition for the second triangle, it is zx plus xy. We compare this with the yz. The measurement for zx is 7 centimeter, measurement of xy is 6 centimeter, and the measurement for yz is 8 centimeter, which shows that 7 plus 6 gives you the 13 centimeter, and it is 8 centimeter. When we compare 13 with the 8, it is easily observed 13 is greater than 8 centimeter. It shows that zx plus xy is greater than yz, or we can say that it is not less than yz. So the answer for this particular triangle is the sum of always less than the third side. Actually, it is not less. Instead of less, it is greater for each and every triangle. As we solve the triangle 1 and triangle 2, similarly you solve the triangle 3, 4 and 5. In that triangles, first you draw the triangles without taking any fixed measurement, and after drawing the triangles you take the measurement of their sides. After checking the measurement of sides, you add the measurement of two sides, and then after you compare this measurement with the measurement of the third side, and then after you take the decision on the basis of that the measurement of sum of two sides is greater than or lesser than the measurement of the third side.